statement from the National Weather Service. For the following county, Central and Eastern Allegany, Maryland, and the following counties, in West Virginia, Eastern Grant, Eastern Monroe and Eastern Pendleton, and Eastern Highland, Virginia. High wind warning in effect from 1 a.m. to 6 p.m. Wednesday. West winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 65 miles per hour expected. The areas affected include, in Maryland, Central and Eastern Allegany County. In Virginia, Eastern Highland County. In West Virginia, Eastern Grant, Eastern Monroe, and Eastern Pendleton counties. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from 1 a.m. to 6 p.m. Wednesday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive.